So, how long have you been shopping with Nanamacs for?
It's been probably, I know it's been over 2 years for sure. So 2 to 3 years, it's been a long time. Like since it was just you and Carly, I've been watching for a very long time.
I love it. You guys, you've stuck through some serious awkward stages then.
Yeah, but it was all great. I loved it. I love seeing everything. I love watching you guys grow. It's really amazing.
Yeah, I have to share that sentiment with you. What do you think sets Nanamacs apart from other boutiques and like other stores?
I think it's how personable you guys are with your fans and like your customers and things like that. You guys are always like replying to them. You guys are always thinking of us. Like this whole thing with the model for a day, like that's a perfect example. This is it's such a good opportunity, and no other boutique that I know of has ever done that. So
Yeah, I know. I'm super excited we're doing this. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited. So, what is your favorite piece of Nanamax? I know this is a hard one, but what's your favorite piece of Nanamax that you own?
oh my goodness. So I that's very hard because I own so many things from
I
you
feel
guys.
you.
So I guess my newest one is this sweater. Like I love this.
That is Maddie's favorite right now.
It's so soft and it's so warm too. I have like the fan on because I'm like, oh my god, this is really warm.
You got to do what you got to do for the fashion.
That's right. That's right. And then there is one skirt that you guys designed. I think I posted it in VIP. It's that like plaid one, the gray and black one.
That's one of my faves too.
Yeah, that is like the cutest thing ever. Yeah, I absolutely love that piece. It's amazing.
So, what is your favorite like season of Nanamax style?
Fall for sure. I love fall anything. Like I love fall for fashion in general. So everything you guys bring in for fall, that's like my all-time favorite. I love it.
Same retweet. That's why I'm glad it's like cold here all the time.
No, I'm so jealous. Like I'm in California and I love like colder weather. So I'm like, I can't really, I don't get all the seasons here, and that's what I want.
At least you don't have to shovel snow, so there's that.
It's true. That is true.
So it can be one of us or like a celeb, but who is your favorite style icon? Like who's your style icon?
Honestly, like I actually told her this recently. Allie's style is like I am so
Same.
obsessed with her style, and that's so me also. So I'm like her. I get so much inspiration from her all the time. Like I love everything she wears.
Same. Since I met Allie, I have like turned my closet completely around because she's like totally changed my style.
Yeah, she's amazing. She's like so good at
Yeah.
what she does.
She's amazing. It's annoying, but she's amazing. So, what item in your closet do you wear the most?
Um, so my style is kind of like I love being casual and comfy. So I wear like leggings and jeans a lot, but I would have to say so I just recently started getting into dresses though. Like I'm so obsessed with dresses. I used to only be like a pants girl, but recently I've started wearing dresses.
See, I'm the opposite.
Opposite. Yeah, so recently I'd probably just say like cardigans and jeans. That's like my go-to all
Yeah.
the time.
I love it. I'm just like learning how to wear pants. Like I only owned dresses and now it's like, all right, pants are more practical. I live where it snows. What clothing item for you makes you feel like the most confident?
Um, I keep going back to that skirt. It's just something that makes me feel really cute and like girly. It makes me feel very confident for some reason. So like bodysuits also, those make me feel very, very
Yes.
confident. So like bodysuits with like heels and jeans, oh my gosh, I feel so like just so confident in that.
Yeah.
But like a cute dress that makes you feel very girly, that makes me feel amazing too.
Yeah, I can totally relate to that. Like any pair of jeans that hugs you just right or like a dress that you just like can't stop like, like you feel like you're like performing when you put it on. I totally get it.
Exactly.
Well, that was all the questions I have for you. Do you have any questions for me?
Is there anything that I need to know for Thursday or just like
We can send you a full email. But nope, I mean, pack what you're gonna pack, and we're so excited. It was funny. We were talking about you in the meeting this morning. We were all like, finally, we get to meet you. Like, we felt that way about meeting Allie. So,
oh my gosh, that's so exciting. I know I've been like, I mean, I haven't really been able to tell anybody, but my mom is coming with me. So like, I've been telling her like every day. I'm like, we're so much closer. We're one day closer. We're one day closer.
Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
Yeah, I'm so excited. It's been like, I feel like for me, because like well, obviously you guys don't know me, but I've watched you guys for so long that I feel like I sort of know you guys. I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. But
totally.
I feel like it's long overdue that I meet just everyone. Like, I'm so excited.
We're so pumped. Just so you know, I'm a crier. I'll probably cry when I meet you. It's just who I am as a person.
Yep. If I'm probably gonna end up crying too, so it's fine.
Okay, perfect. We'll cry while we hug. Perfect. Well, we're so excited. Yeah, we can get you an email if you have any other questions. Like, I'm on my phone 24/7, so DM me, and we're so excited to meet you.
Me too. I can't wait.
Alrighty. Well, have a good rest of your day. I don't know how to end this call, so that's all you, girl. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Good luck.
I'm gonna let you go first because we're all right there.
Hi. Oh my gosh. You look so cute.
Gosh.
I already had a sneak peek of you, but I want another hug.
Hi. Oh my gosh, you look gorgeous without makeup even.
Oh my gosh,
Seriously.
thank you. Wait, you don't have makeup on?
Hi.
How's that fair?
You guys are so sweet. Welcome to the Northwest.
Thank you. Sorry we couldn't muster up some better weather for you.
Hi. You look so cute.
So much.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm gonna give you a hug too.
Good.
Ladies, she
Should I
knows
put these on the live feed desk?
Oh, these are beautiful.
So pretty.
she knows her ways to your guys' heart. She came bearing cupcakes, so I carried them for her. So these are
We
for
should
you,
be giving
ladies.
you things.
Right?
Yeah, look at that.
I wanted to say
Kayleen's like,
What is that? Oh my gosh, that's
my way of saying thank you to you guys.
Excellent.
a little bit. I'll just grab those jeans then.
Okay.
What time is it?
I don't know. I actually don't know what time it is.
Makeup time?
No, that was the correct answer, yes.
Okay. Coffee Company. We are shooting with our model of the day. Her name is Michelle. She's absolutely gorgeous and she's a total natural, of course. I don't know how we are finding these girls who are so good at modeling. They don't need me. It's fun. But we are out here in this gorgeous space, Coeur d'Alene Coffee Company. I'm absolutely obsessed and we're having so much fun. Now it's time for live feed. That was so Alex, the boots are up.
So model of the day was very surreal for me. I didn't even plan on like applying for it, and it was like the last second. I thought, what do I have to lose? The reason I wasn't going to is because I don't win anything, but then I got a message from Christina. I woke up to it actually and I freaked out. I was losing my mind to the point where I messaged her back and I was trying to text her and I sent all of these like angry emoji on accident and just, it was a mess. And so I had to delete that and I resent it and I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. I was just so excited. I didn't think I was gonna win it, but it's something that I was dreaming of. And so coming here was absolutely unreal. Meeting the girls was so crazy to me. I had wanted to meet them for years. I'd been watching them for like 4 years. So just getting to meet them, see behind the scenes, see what they do in a day was just so crazy to me. And they're all just so sweet. They're so funny. I just got along so well with them and I'm just so grateful that I got the opportunity to do that. It was amazing. It's totally different, but in a good way. So I get to see like all the behind the scenes, like I'm a part of behind the scenes. I get to see what happens in a day. I'm a part of that. It's really amazing. I think on the outside, it's also incredible. Obviously, I've been a fan and a customer for 4 years now, but getting to be a part of it on the back end is just so crazy. There's just so much to Nanamacs that people don't see, and everyone works so hard. And I know that, I'm sure customers just assume that already, but they really, really do. Everybody here just works so hard, works as a team, and we get everything done. And it's just so fulfilling and so satisfying to get to be a part of a team like that, because that's just, it's a dream come true. I love it. Moving here was a little crazy. I've never lived anywhere else besides my hometown, so it was a little bit scary, but I feel like I was just so excited and so grateful for the opportunity that I didn't even look back, and I was like ready to go. I was so excited to be here, and I've been great here. Like, I fit in very well. The town, a lot of parts of it really remind me of back home. I'm from Northern California, so a lot of the parts of this town kind of remind me of back home, so I think that's helped me a lot. And then here especially, I feel like even when I came for Model of the Day, I just felt like I fit right in and I clicked so well with everybody, and it's been like that ever since. So the transition has been pretty easy for me, and I'm really grateful for that. Yeah, absolutely. It definitely feels like a family here. It did right away. It was like instant best friends, basically. It was really, really good. I'm really grateful. Oh, that's a tough question. I don't know what I didn't expect, because like I didn't come into it I didn't have this set idea of anything. So I didn't have like a set idea of what it would be like. I was kind of like really excited to be like, oh, I get to see behind the scenes and do all that. And then all that it just fell into place. So I didn't really have an expectation or anything like that. It was just, yeah. Like, cause I've been asked that question a lot where they're like, did you expect the warehouse to be the way that it was? And I was like, I mean, I didn't really expect anything else. Like, I wasn't expecting anything different than what they have. And I mean, obviously I didn't know that it was like this, but I wasn't surprised or anything. I was just more excited, and I had an open mind with everything. Chase your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams. If you're told no or the door shuts, don't give up, because you never know what can happen. And I am absolute proof of that, because I never thought in a million years that I would get to say that I work for Nanamacs, and here I am. So don't give up on your dreams. Keep chasing them. Don't give up. You got this. You're gonna get whatever you go for. Just continue to work hard and you'll get it.